In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a QR code for your SurveyMonkey survey. QR codes are a fast, reliable way to take people straight to your survey from posters, slides, emails, or even a screen at an event. Today, you'll learn exactly where to click in SurveyMonkey so you can download a clean QR code image tied to your survey's link. Start by heading to the SurveyMonkey website in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, log in so you can access your projects. Once you're in, open the survey you want people to scan to. This brings you to the main survey workspace where you can manage questions, logic, and most importantly for today, distribution. Next, go to the Collect Responses area for that survey. This is where SurveyMonkey organizes all the ways you can share your survey, such as web links, email collectors, and social posts. You'll see a list of collectors associated with your survey. Choose the specific collector you want to use for your QR code. If you already have a web link collector, that's usually the simplest choice. Remember, each collector has its own settings and tracking, so the QR code you download will point to that collector's unique link. After you click into the collector, look just below the survey link details. You'll see the option labeled Download QR Code. Click that. SurveyMonkey will generate and download a QR code image that points directly to your survey through the selected collector. The file is typically a standard image format you can drop into a document, slide, or design tool. And that's it. You're done. Before you share it widely, a few quick tips to get the best results. Keep enough white space around the code when you place it. Don't crop it tightly or add busy graphics too close to the edges. For printing, use a high-resolution version so it stays crisp. Bigger codes scan more reliably from a distance. High contrast works best. Dark code on a light background is ideal. Place the QR code where people can comfortably aim their camera and include a short call to action like scan to take the survey. It's also smart to test the code with a phone camera to confirm it opens the correct survey. Since the QR code is tied to the collector, responses are tracked there, which helps you see how well that placement performs. You now have a ready-to-use QR code for your SurveyMonkey survey, straight from the platform. Save it, share it, and start collecting responses with less friction.